I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain in multiples of 2. When you have the foundation chain the correct length, double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, and double crochet in each stitch across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I have a double crocheted in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Takes the place of this first stitch. In the next stitch, yarn around the hook, come under the post as in a front post double crochet, and pull up a loop, and then yarn around the hook, and under the same stitch, pull up another loop. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn and pull it through those 4, and then pull through those last 2. In the next stitch, make a back post double crochet. Now we're going to repeat this in the next stitch. So yarn around the hook, go behind the post of the next stitch, pick up the yarn, and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, go under that same stitch, and pull up a loop. You've got 5 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 4, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. And a back post double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that across the row. Behind the post of the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, under the post, pull up a loop. Pull through the first 4 stitches, and then pull through the remaining 2. And in the next stitch, a back post double crochet. Like that, you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked across the row, and there's my turning chain, and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in that last stitch. And that's the first row completed. Chain 2 and turn. That chain 2 takes the place of the first stitch, and that's the first stitch. So work into this stitch and double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Double crochet. All the way across the row. Okay, I've double crocheted in each stitch all the way across the row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And we're going to repeat the same thing that we did here. That chain 2 takes the place of this first stitch, so I'm going to work into this next stitch, and I'm going to yarn around the hook, come under the post of the double crochet, and pick up a loop. Yarn around the hook, under the post, pick up a loop, 5 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through 4, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2. In the next stitch, a back post double crochet. And that's all you need to know to do this, and that's what that looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and work a few rows, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. And here I have finished several rows, and that's how this stitch will look.